When it comes to taking care of your skin, it is always advisable to use kitchen ingredients for safe and effective results. There is one natural ingredient that is easily and widely available and can be added to your beauty regime instantly. We are talking about onions. Known for its strong flavor and sharp and pungent taste, the benefits of onions are as many as the layers in them, and they extend well beyond their texture and taste. From reducing premature skin aging to controlling dandruff, here are some reasons why you should stock onions in your kitchen for culinary and beauty purposes. Brighten your skin. Regular application of fresh onion can help you get rid of the dull and lifeless skin, and bring it back to life. The antioxidants and vitamins present in the vegetable give the skin cells a significant beauty boost, which results in soft, radiant, and supple skin. In fact, the consumption of raw onion alone can purify the blood by eliminating impurities, resulting in healthy and glowing skin. Reduce spots, patches, and pigmentation. Onion is loaded with vitamin C, which helps to treat dark spots, ugly patches, pigmentation marks, and so on. Add a pinch of turmeric to 1 tablespoon of fresh onion juice. Massage your face with it daily, and see the magic unfold. Alternatively, you can mix a teaspoon of raw onion juice with an equal amount of gram flour and half a teaspoon of milk cream. This serves as a very useful skin brightening pack. Prevent early signs of skin aging. Applying onion on your face can boost the flow of blood through the skin cells, giving you firmer and youthful skin. Onion is packed with vitamins A, C, and E that are loaded with antioxidants which help counter the signs of premature aging caused by harsh UV rays. Take a fresh, medium-sized onion, cut it into small pieces and puree it. Dip a cotton ball into it and apply all over your skin and leave it for 20 minutes. This will help in reducing the fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. Acne. Acne is a common skin condition faced by many women. To begin with, you can simply massage your face with some fresh onion juice or prepare an onion face pack with gram flour to ward off the acne-causing bacteria. You can also take 1 tablespoon of onion juice and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or almond oil to it. Blend well and apply to your skin. After 15 minutes, wash off with cold water. Promote hair growth. Onion juice is quite beneficial for your hair too. Onions, being rich in sulfur, helps in the regrowth of hair follicles by improving blood circulation to the head. Massaging onion juice on the scalp is one of the best ways to stimulate hair growth and keep the mane healthy and strong. You can also mix equal portions of onion juice and rose water to prepare a solution for your hair. Spray this mix all over your hair and keep it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off. Fight dandruff. Onion juice is also good to combat dandruff problems. Just apply raw onion juice to your scalp and keep it on for at least 20 minutes before washing off with shampoo. You can also mix onion juice with some lemon juice and a scoop of yogurt to make a paste to cure dandruff. Alternatively, take 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and soak them in water overnight. The next day, grind them into a fine paste and add 2 tablespoons of fresh onion juice. Mix well and apply the pack to your scalp. Leave it on for 25 to 30 minutes and rinse it with lukewarm water thereafter.